Want to skyrocket your Shopify store's trustworthiness and sales? First, let's explore Shopify apps. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for testimonial apps. You'll find plenty of options, like Judge or Looks, which are super user-friendly and offer various display styles. After installing your chosen app, follow its setup instructions to connect it to your store. Most apps will automatically import existing reviews or allow you to manually add new ones. Customize the appearance to match your store's branding, things like colors, fonts, and layout. Now, let's see how to add those testimonials to your storefront. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store. Then customize your theme. You can then add a new section. And most testimonial apps will provide a custom section or block that you can drag and drop onto your homepage, product pages, or wherever you like. Alternatively, you can display testimonials as a carousel, grid, or individual blocks to highlight what your customers love most. Ensure that you only display the best and most relevant testimonials to build social proof. And that's it. You've successfully added testimonials to your Shopify store, giving potential customers the confidence they need to make a purchase. Now you are on your way to boost sales and build customer trust.